Okay, so right here I have my Black&Decker AUTOMOTIVE Power BRUSH. I believe this is vintage. I don't know. Let's see this bag. This bag is kind of like ones up there. Yeah, I mean, this handbag does look vintage, so I'm assuming it's vintage. I don't necessarily know if it's vintage, but it definitely does look vintage. So I'm gonna be using this to vacuum the steps. Okay, I got it plugged in. Here we go. Cord's wrapped around the back. Okay, now for the bottom steps. Okay, it's plugged in. Here we go. Okay, so that was me using my Black&Decker AUTOMOTIVE Power BRUSH. I don't know what model this is. Yeah, I can't seem to find the model plate on this. It's probably somewhere. Ooh, I hear dirt in this. Anyways, yeah, bye.